Hello guys, welcome to 9Tech11. Today we will take a closer look at Apple's MagSafe charger. MagSafe charger was specifically designed for the iPhone 12 series. Apple has put a circular array of magnets on the back of the iPhone 12 series. These magnets are used for snapping accessories on the back of any iPhone 12. MagSafe charger is a 15-watt C wireless charger, which is equipped with a ring that contains magnets as well. The magnet ring is used to snap the charger on your iPhone. MagSafe uses a USB-C cable and needs a USB-C power brick, which is of course not included in the box. Apple suggests to use the new Apple 20-watt power adapter if you want to take advantage of the faster charging speeds of MagSafe charger. You could also use any other USB-C power delivery charging brick. This means that compatible MacBook power adapters could also be used. However, depending on the charger, you might not be able to charge your iPhone at exactly 15 watts, but less. One of the benefits of using MagSafe charger is the ability to hold and use your iPhone both horizontally and vertically while charging it. This means that you can easily enjoy playing Among Us or any other game during charging. MagSafe charger is also allowing you to wirelessly charge your iPhone 12 at 15 watts, which is significantly fast for an iPhone. MagSafe can also be used as a traditional C wireless charger or any other iPhone supporting wireless charging, meaning any iPhone 8 or later, but without the snapping abilities. MagSafe may be the only way to charge your iPhone in the future, as it is rumored that Apple may be ditching the charging port of your iPhone soon. There are also reports which mention that Apple may be ditching the Lightning port even this year, in one of the upcoming iPhone models, probably the new 2021 Pro Max. The cost is $39 without the power brick, and it's certainly not on the cheap side. Thank you for watching guys, don't forget to follow 9Tech11 if you like this video, stay tuned for more and stay safe.